Install interception devices at key points during new home construction to catch termites before they become a costly problem. Interception devices are physical tools placed where termites are most likely to enter so you can detect activity early and act before structural damage occurs. For foundation-mounted monitoring devices, attach the device flush to the foundation exterior at regular intervals along the perimeter and inspect monthly. Ensure the device sits against the soil and receives no sealing or paint that would prevent termite access. When placing wood stakes in critical areas like near crawlspace vents, porches, and utility penetrations, use untreated softwood of 1 to 2 inches thick and mark each stake with its installation date so you can track changes over time. In-ground bait stations with monitoring ports should be installed every 10 to 30 feet depending on local risk, recessed so the top aligns with the surrounding grade, and logged with GPS coordinates or a simple map for consistent checks. Schedule professional inspections at least twice a year during the first 5 years and immediately after any heavy rains or landscaping changes that alter moisture conditions around the foundation. Keep a written log of findings, including dates, device identifiers, and any visible signs, so trends are obvious and you can present clear evidence if remediation becomes necessary. Common mistakes include placing devices too far from the foundation so termites bypass them. Fix this by setting foundation-mounted devices directly against the foundation and within the recommended spacing to intercept foraging paths. Another issue is neglecting regular inspections, which renders devices useless. Set recurring reminders and tie inspections to other routine maintenance like gutter cleaning so they happen. A third problem is confusing treated lumber or sealed devices with true interception. If a device is painted, sealed, or uses pressure-treated wood, it will not attract termites effectively. So, always use untreated wood or purpose-built monitoring materials and confirm the device maintains an open access port. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like termite interception for new builds, helping us find local professionals and post-project notes. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, installation experiences, and inspection records.